large print size. Next, demonstrate the physical leveling of the printing platform. We first remove the printing chute, and then loosen the screws on the printing platform. Click Tools, Manual, small house icon on the touchscreen. Automatic leveling of add-in printer. Press the fixed position with the left hand, and tighten the screw with the right hand. 4 fixing screws need to be tightened. Check the screws to make sure they are fixed in place. After the physical leveling of the printing platform is completed,